Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another informative video on the Digital RNK YouTube channel. I'm Nandakishore for digitalrnk.com. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error. This site can't provide secure connection. When you try to log into your WordPress admin page, you get this error, and also you can't access the site. First, I'll try to explain why this kind of error shows. So this error comes by disabling or deactivating the site SSL certificate. And also in your WordPress settings, you would have updated as HTTPS instead of HTTP. But actually you don't have the SSL active on your site. In that case, when you type in the URL, it is trying to connect to the secure connection. Since you don't have SSL active, you end up getting this error. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down in this video and also turn on that notification bell to all to receive my latest video updates. If you're ready, let's get started. First step is log into your hosting account. Mine is hosted on Hostinger. Once it's opened, click on Manage button here to access your hPanel dashboard. Now click on Dashboard here. If you try to access your WordPress dashboard, it doesn't work. I'll show you anyway. If you click on Edit Website, it redirects to your WordPress dashboard, but ultimately you will see the same error message. Now I'll show you how to fix this. Just note down the active database you can see here. I'll just copy and paste it in Notepad. Now go back and scroll down until you find phpMyAdmin under database option. Just click on that. Now check the database which we copied earlier. It should match the exact name. Yeah, this is the one. Alright, now click on Enter phpMyAdmin. You will be redirected to this interface. Now from the left hand side panel, click on WP option. You will be able to see these two things, site URL and home URL. Okay, you have to remove the S from HTTP. To remove, just click here and remove the S. You can also do that from here. Click Edit and remove S here and scroll down and click Go. That's it. Now go back to your site and click here and remove S here as well and hit Enter. As you can see, we were able to access the WP login page. Now to make sure it's working fine, I'll just log in. There we go. We have successfully logged into the site dashboard. Awesome, right? So that's it guys. Hope you're able to fix this error. Just follow the steps I showed in this video and then you are good to go. If you still face any sort of issues, then let me know in the comment section below. Also feel free to ask me any sort of questions. I'll be more than happy to help you. So if you're new around here, then please subscribe to Digital RNK YouTube channel because a lot of interesting and informative videos will be posted regularly. Thank you guys. See you in my next interesting video. As always, keep learning new things and share your knowledge. Peace out.